what we're going to learn. Hello everyone! Welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to have a fun and helpful speaking practice lesson. This lesson is perfect for anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills, especially if you are a beginner or feel shy when speaking English. By the end of this video, you will learn how to practice speaking English at home, some common sentences and questions for daily use, easy techniques to become more confident, and how to make English speaking a daily habit. So let's begin our speaking practice lesson. Why speaking practice is important. Many students say, "I understand English, but I can't speak it." This is very common. Why? Because they don't practice speaking. They only read books or watch videos. But to speak better English, you have to open your mouth and speak. Speaking is a skill, just like driving or swimming. You learn it by doing it, not just by watching or reading. Part 1. Simple speaking practice sentences. Let's start with some basic daily sentences. You can practice these every day. Repeat after me. Daily routine sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work, school. I come home in the evening. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Try to say these sentences in your own words. What time do you wake up? What do you do after breakfast? Do you watch TV at night? This is how you start thinking and speaking in English. Part 2. Question and answer practice. Now let's do some question and answer practice. I'll ask you a question and you try to answer. Q. What is your name? A. My name is Altaf. Q. Where are you from? A. I am from Pakistan. Q. What do you do? A. I am a student. I work in an office. I teach English. Q. What do you like to do in your free time? A. I like reading books, watching movies, learning English. This type of practice helps you speak faster and more naturally. Part 3. Think in English. Many students think in Urdu and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow and confusing. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with simple things. For example, when you see an apple, think, "This is an apple. It is red. I want to eat it." If you see a car, say in your mind, "This is a big car. It is black. I like it." This habit helps you speak without translating. Part 4. Shadowing technique. This is a powerful method. It's called shadowing. Here's how it works. Play a short English video or audio, like a movie scene or podcast. Listen to one sentence. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence aloud. Copy the speaker's tone and speed. Do this again and again. Example. Listen. What are you doing today? Repeat. What are you doing today? Shadowing helps you with pronunciation, speed, and confidence. Part 5. Practice with a partner or mirror. If you have a friend, classmate, or family member, practice English with them. Ask each other questions. Talk about your day. But if you don't have a partner, no problem. You can also talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Pretend you are talking to someone. For example, "Hi, my name is Altaf. Today I want to share my routine. I woke up at 7 a.m. and had tea with my family." This builds confidence and helps you speak smoothly. Part 6. Use mobile apps and voice recordings. There are many free apps for speaking practice like Hello English, Duolingo, Elsa Speak. You can also record your own voice while speaking English. Then listen to it and improve your pronunciation and fluency. Try to speak on topics like my family, my hobbies, my city, my daily life. Record and listen, then improve your mistakes. Part 7. Daily Speaking Challenge. Let's make a small goal. From today, speak in English for 10 minutes every day. You can talk about what you did today, what you will do tomorrow, your favorite food, a short story or news. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes help you learn. Extra tips for better speaking. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes them. Speak slowly and clearly. Speed is not important. Clarity is. Learn and use new words. Use a notebook to remember new vocabulary. Watch English movies or shows. Try to repeat what they say. Join English groups online or in your area. Practice makes perfect. Examples speaking practice topic. Let me give you an example you can practice today. Topic, my daily life. Hello, my name is Altaf. I live in Pakistan. Every day I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat my breakfast. I go to my office and make English videos. I enjoy my work. In the evening, I come home, have dinner, and relax. I always try to speak English every day. It helps me improve. You can create your own story like this and say it out loud. Practice daily. Conclusion, what we have learned. In today's video, we learned how to practice English speaking at home. We talked about using daily sentences, practicing question and answer, thinking in English, using the shadowing technique, speaking with a mirror or partner, recording your voice, making speaking a daily habit. Remember, if you want to speak English fluently, you must practice speaking every single day. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference.